Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about DocuSign and how to use it. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. So you have to go here to DocuSign.com, and once when you're here, you have to click here, try for free. And then you have to write your email so they can send you a free version. It's usually paid, but you can, get a free version as well. So let me just fill my basic information and then I'll get back to you. The confirmation link is sent to your email. Let me just open it up, and they have sent this code which we have to use here. So now we have to set a password. Let me just set the password and I'll get back to you. So once when you set your password, they'll ask you this question. You can just select the option that you like. I'll skip it. So this is the home page of DocuSign, and you can create your signature here, but we'll open this later on. So this is the home page, and this is the Manage tab. It's more like an email version, your email account version, that you'll have your like whenever you open your email, you get your emails here, and then you get your inbox, sent, and draft, deleted right here. So this is more like your email version, and this is templates. I'll also show you how to make a template later on. This is the report tab, and you'll get report or analytics of your envelope in the last 30 days. You can change it to a month or 3 months. These are, the analytics. So that's like, it's like very self-explanatory. So I don't have to explain it. You'll see all the analytics here. And this is the setting tab. So there are a lot of options here in the setting tab. It mostly revolves around plan and billing, account profile, security settings, regional settings. So you can tweak the settings according to your own wish. So this is pretty simple. So if you go back here to home, you can see there's this logo here, and this is your account. And if you click manage profile, so once when you click manage profile, you can see that you can update your basic information like your company, title, address, phone number, your name, profile picture. And if you go here to signatures, you can add your signature here. You can add an e-signature, which is one of the basic reasons why people use DocuSign. So to add a signature, you have to click on add signature, and you can choose it the way you want. So I personally prefer this one because it looks more like a signature. And if we click on create, voila, we have our own signature. And that's how you create your signature. And if we go back to the home page and if we refresh it, we are going to have our own signature. So here you go. This is my signature. This is how you create an e-signature, which will be used in the documents later on. And you can also create documents. You can upload your documents here, or you can start an envelope. It depends on you, what you want to do it. So if you click here, now this is an envelope. You usually send it to your clients or your peers, and in an envelope you have to add a document. Now a document is a PDF file that you can attach here, and once when you attach it, you have to add recipients. Now you can add a recipient through your contacts, or you can just write their name and then their email, and you can also assign a specific task to them. For example, that if you want them to sign it, you can click it. If you want they might receive a copy of it, you can click it. If you just want them to view, if you don't want them to sign, you can also click it. So it depends on you. And you can also customize uh, the recipients, like you can add an access code just for safety, or also you can add a private message. That's up to you. You can add more recipients as well. And moving on, you can also add a message, like it's more like an email message, an email subject, and then a message. And after filling all this, you can click next, and then you'll be good to go. Now, I don't have a message, or I don't have a document right here, so I'm not clicking next. And even if I do, it's not gonna take me forward because I don't have a document. But let me just fill it for your sake. And if I click next, the document is required. So currently I don't have any documents, so I don't have a PDF file. So I'm not gonna click next because it's not gonna take me there. But that is how you send a document. But just for your sake, I have added a document right here. So I'm gonna click next now. Okay, to continue, add a name and email for each recipient. So let me just do it. So here you go. Now, if we click next, they will just give us a preview of our document, and we can, add more signature fields, initial field, and a stamp field if we want, and date signed as well. This is for the recipient. We can also we can also use or insert a name tab where they'll have to write the full name, and we can, like I said before, add a signature bar that they'll have to sign it here. And whenever we put it here, you can see there is this new tab on the right which opens up, and we can also put priority, like putting required fields. That means that this thing is a priority. And we can also format it, data label it, and do additional stuff. And once when we are done doing all these things, we can preview it, and a preview will show how our document looks like on a desktop, laptop, or on a tablet, or on a mobile phone. So we can preview the document as well. So once we have done it, we can just click send, and it's going to send it. So this is how you send a document, and this is how you sign a document. So that was how you use DocuSign. So this was it. I hope this video was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.